both of us will involve in marketing and design, but I myself in charge on the administration and account, and also partially on the marketing. Jeff will in charge on the marketing and also designing. The designing, yeah.
Right.
All our designer will under Jeff alone. So if you give idea to our junior designer to draft the drawing and come up with the design concept. This is how we work on, which means every one of us have our own specialties. Majority of the works is done by him. 70 to 80% the decision is by him. So he's like to decorate things. Even though shop around or travel around, then he will buy those decorative things to decorate our showroom. So this is what his strength. And of course, besides learning from the school, he know all the 3D drawing. But then also he has a passion in decorating things and to make the environment looks beautiful and nicer and to impress people. This is what I think what in his mind. He always want to impress friend, customer and people. 70% is more to residential, 30% is commercial. But however, people say residential is more tougher than commercial, but we still prefer to do residential. Residential people are more particular on certain things like the workmanship, not only on the design. So people are staying inside the house, so what they're expecting are more precisely. The problem with commercial project is we need to deal with a lot of intermediate level like the manager, so we have no chances to deal directly with the end user, which is the bosses. We prefer to deal with owner themselves. So we can give idea whether they like or do not like. We know what their feedback is. This is very important. That's why in commercial sometimes when we draw up, which is a very nice concept, when after we construct, the bosses come, they say, no, this is not nice, they want to change. So this is what we encounter the problem. We do work together with the architect somehow, especially like some bungalows houses. So even though the structurers have already proposed and come up by the architect, but then our interior is also very important to come concurrently, because we need to do all the space planning before the architect and engineer to propose a certain part of the structure things, like where's the positions of the bathroom, so that all the sewage piping will concentrate in one area, or where is how's the aircons the position, so the lighting position, or everything also depends on from the ID. So, so usually usually we work together with the architect, where architect come up with the structure and we will do the space planning, the lighting plan, MME plan, ceiling plan, and also we will propose all the material, like what is the floor finishings material, whether are they going to use tile, normal homogeneous tiles, or marble or granite, and also more important also with the carpentry, our carpentry works, and where there is a wardrobe, where is the position of the bed, so the position of those lightings and the fan point also we need to determine.
Actually, designer they have to know everything, because by design they have to design the whole thing, which means from the lighting to the floor and to the cabinet. You have to know all these things. Everything. So you cannot divide
But we also prefer them when we design one of the, let's say one of the bungalow house, so that beside they come up with the idea, so they also come up with all the MME plan, ceiling plan, lighting plan, because they would know where all these things goes about. Okay. Unless we have go into a very big firm, maybe we will split it out. Whereby some people they are more specialized in preparing a sample board. Some people is preparing concept design. We may think about it to go into that direction.
Okay.
Yeah. Where we also think which is very important. Whenever we meet client, we also bring our designers along so that they knows what the client needs, so that they know how to propose to the clients. We want the communications between the client and also the designer. So we also give the chances for our designer to make some decision. We ourselves to guide them on certain things like a material selection or this thing. We did employ some ALFA student, even some internship student. And also we find ALFA College is quite different because besides after the for instance, like recently we employed one internship student even for 3 months. So the lecturers also come to our office to ensure that the student attending have a practical training in our office, and also they have also preparing booklets, right, for us to sign on the attendance, and also ask us to give comment what is their achievement in our company.
I see.
Whereas some of the college they do not have such practicing. They only give us a letter, ask us to take this student as a student, and after 3 months, then they do not have any black and white to show that the achievement for the student. In Malaysia, the lifestyle is changed. Nowadays in Malaysia, we found that the Malaysians prefer a very they are going to a better lifestyle. So therefore they are expecting ID persons like us in this industry. So we do know that there's an increase of the potential customer in request in looking for ID person. Not only for this country and also for in overseas. We see especially a lot of designers also they work in overseas in international market. So like in Arab country, they really need a lot of designer. Even in Malaysia, yes, I was there because now people are doing commercial project. They are not only wanted to make money like display their merchandise, but they want us looking for ID people to do a better idea for the shop in order to have a better sales for the retail. So we did see the ID is growing up in Malaysia.